Hello students, in this video we will understand finding A inverse in a 3x3 matrices. So hope you will understand the topic. So shall we start? I am just taking one example question. This is 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. As I taught you, A is equal to IA will be the format to find A inverse. Here A must be in a form of I, then this will multiple of A, this will become A inverse. What I taught you earlier, this is the format. If A is equal to IA, we have to solve it such a way that A becomes I and the multiple of A becomes the A inverse. So this is the format what we have to follow. Here the values we have to write 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3. This is 1 0 0 because 3 cross 3 matrix is here 0 1 0 0 0 1. A, you need not to write anything here. Definitely you must not write anything here. Here we will write, first we have to make it 1, because as we know this part must be I in a form of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. What we have to form it. Here what we do, we will divide by 2 because this is 2. Here what we need 1. So what we do, we will write this R1 tends to 1 by 2 times of R1. इट मीन्स R1 की वैल्यू को 1/2 से डिवाइड करने से 1 हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स इट विल बिकम 1 0/2. दिस विल, आई जस्ट राइट इट डायरेक्टली, minus 1/2. Here this will be 5 1 0 0 1 3. There will be no change. Here if you divide it in a first matrices, so it will automatically divide on a second also. So it will become 1/2 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. Here what we do, we have to make it 0. How you will make it 0? If R2 tends to R2 minus 5 R1, if you write, this will become 0. What will happen here? 1 0 1/2 will be the same. There will be no change. There will be a change in this second row only. So this will become 0. If 0 into 0 something, 1 minus 0 something, no problem. And here if you go for multiplying with 5 and going for subtraction of this will become positive 5/2. Then this becomes 0 1 3. One part we have achieved. First column we have 1 0 0. That next one what we have to do, 0 1 0. 1 is available. Here it will be 0. So this will be the format. This is along with that what we apply here also the format. 1/2 will be the same 0 0. A will be here. What we need to do, R2 minus 5 R1. This will 5 times of 1/2 becomes 5/2, and 0 minus 5/2, this will become minus 5/2. 1 0, there will be no change in this, and this is in a form of 0 0 1. So I think it is clear to you all, and as you know board is very small, so I have to rub it. You just pause the video and just write it down. Okay, now we will do it. Now we will multiply it. Now next part what we need to do. Here what we got, 1 0 0. Here 1 is available. In upper part 0 is available. Next is it is 0 also. What we do, R3 tends to R3 minus R1 we will do. R2 we will do. So this is 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1/2 5/2. We will be the same. Here instead of this what we do, R3 minus R2. R2 is 0. 0 minus 0 becomes 0 only. And 1 minus 0 becomes 0. Here 3 minus 5/2 we have to do. 3 minus 5/2. This means this will become 1 by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2 becomes. Next step, what we do? Here we have, in right hand side part we have to do also. What we do? 1 by 2 will be here, 0 0, minus 5 by 2 is here, 1 1, 1 0 is available. Here what we need to do, we have to just subtract it from this R2. So here what we do, this will be 5 by 2, 0 minus 5 by 2 becomes plus 5 by 2, then it will become minus 1, and this is 0 only, this is 1 only. So here the question have formed in a such a way, the question will solve. What we found? We found 1 0 minus 1 by 2, 0 1 5 by 2, and 0 0. And here one more thing we have to do, we have to find this is in a form of 1. How we will get 1? Because what I taught you, first you have to make it 1, then this 2 will be 0, then we have to make this one is 1, then this 2 will be 0, next this one must be 1 only. So for getting it 1, what we do, we will multiply R3 into 2. So what will happen, this will 1 0, 1 by 2 will be the same, 0 1 5 by 2 will be the same, 0 0 1, this will become 1 only. Now if you multiply it in this left part, the right hand part also multiply with 2 only. So this will become 5 minus 2 and 2. Here just I will go for rub this part. Okay. Now it is somehow clear. Now what we need to do, this is 1, we have to find it in a 0. What we do, when you go for R1 tends to R1 minus plus 5 times 1 by 2 times of R3, so this will become 0. Another part is here, you just apply first form only, then we will decide. This will be 1 0, 1 0 something applied here, and minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 become 0 only, 0 1 5 by 2, 0 0 1 here. Here you will go for operation, 5 by 2 will add it to this, so this will become 6 by 2 means 3, and this 2 is multiplied with 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will multiply with 6. I am facing lots of problem to making this video. This class, lots of disturbance here. Just wait for this. What I do? Now what you do, you will apply the format here. You will multiply with this 1 by 2 and add this, and 2 you will multiply with 1 by 2 means it will become 1, minus 1 will add it to 0 becomes minus 1 only, 2 is multiplied with 1 by 2 becomes 1, 1 added to 0 becomes 1 here. So this is minus 5 by 2, 1 0 5 minus 2 and 2, this is the same. I will go for this. This will become 0, as you know. This will become 1 0 0 0 1 5 by 2, 0 0 1. This is the same. 3 minus 1 1 minus 5 by 2 1 0 5 minus 2 2 into it. It is somehow clear. Now what we need to do, we have to make it 0. How we will make it 0? We will apply formula R2 tends to R2 minus 5 by 2 R1, sorry, 5 by 2 R3. So then this question will solve. So what will happen, देखो, ये होगा 1 0 0, फर्स्ट रो में कोई चेंजेस नहीं होगा। सेकंड रो में ये क्या होगा 0, ये 1, ये क्या होगा, दिस विल बिकम 0, दिस विल 0 0 1 ओनली हियर। नाउ व्हाट वी डू, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5/2, 5/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, क्या हो जाएगा सोचो, 5/2 into this will what we have to do, we have to write this first, -5/2 into -5/2 into 5, the first group, second 1 into 1 minus 2 into -5/2 operation here, 0 minus 2 into 5/2. So this one will be the same, 5 minus 2 2 here into a will be there. This is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 here, 3 minus 1 1. Just go for this part. What is the operation here? I have written something wrong. This is the one. So what we need to do? Just go for it. This is 5/2 minus 5/2. LCM will be 2, and this will be plus minus 25. Here 5. This will become 1 plus 5, and this will become -5 minus 2 and 2 into 8. Next time onwards I will try to send you the recorded message whatever there in YouTube. It is very difficult to make a video for you because my home is near to market. So I am getting again and again -1 1, this becomes 30, so this will be minus 15, this is 6 minus 5, 5 minus 2 and 2 into 8. So this is the value, this must be A inverse. Just I will go for verifying it. Yes, I got a right answer. So it means A inverse into A is equal to I, as we know. Here this is I, this is entire value. A inverse, compare with this. This is equation 1. You will write 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. This is equation 2. By equation 1 and 2, A inverse becomes 3 minus 1 1, 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. Thus this is the method how we can find A inverse. I hope you understood the topic, and some of the disturbance was there, but what we can do, we have to solve the things. Okay, thank you very much. You will enjoy the topic and try to solve more and more questions, so it will be very easy to understand the topic very well. Okay.